masaajid dadka looga daawataa oo halkaan ah baa waxaa la damcay nin baa wuxuu damcay kuwii leenka isku sheegay tuugada libaaxyada isku sheegay inuu ila dagaalo anigoo islaan halkaan la hadlaya ayuu damcay inuu ila dagaalamo yeah you see the guy he want to hit me with a stick, right? Do you see that guy he want to hit me with a stick? Do you see he want to hit me with the stick that he make me scared, right?
He was asking you to leave, but he wasn't going to hit you with a stick.
Yeah.
He was screaming.
No, the guy, he is not the guy, the guy that has a black clothes. He would hit me. No, he would hit me with the stick because if you weren't here, if you were not here, and he is not here, he would hit me with the stick. Because you're here. Yeah? They hit every day they hit Somali women and rape Somali women. That's the problem. And because they do that all the time. And they learn and they do that all the time. They claim they are this and that and they learn. I don't understand what's wrong with that. You have no right to hit Somali women.